Today we'll be doing water running. For this you're going to need water weights. Well, I'm using regular weights because it's the modified version. And you're going to want to take them and you're just going to like run around the pool. So you're just going to want to make sure that you're going to have your torso above the water. But your weight will still be in the water when you go back and forth. You're just going to do laps around the pool or the modified versions. You can just do laps around the gym. And that's just how you do water running.